Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Titre de Voyage. First, understand that this document is crucial for recognized refugees who need to travel internationally but cannot use a passport from their country of origin. It serves as a substitute travel document, allowing you to visit other nations, though some restrictions may apply. We will cover the essential steps and requirements to help you successfully obtain this important document. To be eligible, you must be a recognized refugee or beneficiary of subsidiary protection and hold a valid residence permit. For example, a 10-year resident card is often required. You will also need to gather specific documents, including 2 recent identity photos that meet official standards and a proof of address that is less than 3 months old. For minors, additional documents like a birth certificate from Apparel are necessary. The application process for a Titre de Voyage is primarily done online through the ANF platform. It is crucial to anticipate your travel needs and submit your application at least 3 months before your intended departure date, as processing times can vary. Once your application is approved, you will need to pay a fiscal stamp fee, which typically ranges from 15 to 45 euros when you collect your document. Remember, your Titre de Voyage is generally valid for 4 or 5 years, depending on whether you hold a multi-year residence permit or a 10-year resident card. It is very important to note that this document does not authorize travel to your country of origin. Doing so could result in the loss of your protected status. Always verify visa requirements for your destination country, as the Titre de Voyage does not guarantee visa-free entry everywhere. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.